bà rồi
mấy cái này tới thì để chỉ còn anh thích đây á đây con chia
người khơi chẳng tôi với phần đất lan đâu luôn ơi thà thôi mà chung
chung ta khơi nhé mưa hai sàn có thông bên dây bị so với nông phẩm ăn rồi ta so một trâu và sạt này
chừng ít từ so đó rồi
so tan về cái cắt này luôn bên này đục nó này để so màu bạc bay chừng bữa sân là khác thời hai phimสมัยน้องนึงสะอาดมาลาแต่เมื่อหน่อยโมมันติดมาดมมาประมาณนั้นก็โลนั่นน่ะจริงๆต้องรอบโรยเต้านั่นน่ะสะอาดมวยนั่นก็ตื่นตัดมาอยู่ออกจาเม่นยายเกยยายทาก่อสร้างเลยขนมชนำบอกปอนมาโรยเชียง
còn vừa rồi hạ
ปอนมาโรย8 เชียงเฮ้ยไปแต่ก่อสร้างนั้นการน้องปีดามร้อยการปรุงมันศาสนานะการปรุงมันการรูปเธอรูปปรุงนั่นแหละตายโดยซากรอยม้อประบาดเจย์ประมาณนั้นนั่งประปนบอกประบาดเจย์ประมาณตีเปิลปองการประปนศาสนาเอาไปจังก็การปนศาสนาให้ก็เพื่อนั่งดำใบไฟดอกประปนได้บานเมียนรูปประปนตุ้ยในขนมนั้นตายดอกไปกรอยม้อจุ่มลูกศาสนาเราเวียงปรุงมันหนึ่งประปนต้องลูกเนี้ยนะเราเวียงเนี่ยการปนศาสนาหนึ่งเนี่ยการปรุงมันศาสนาก็การจุ่มลูกก็จุ่มลูกทั้งเถอะบานเนี่ยดอยปูเนี่ยห่างกันปรุงมันเนี่ยนะก่อนจังดังไงก่อนจังดับรูปประปนเจนเนี่ยนะดับรูปประปนเจนไปเช็คกระช็อตเอาเตอร์ก็รูปประปนจังวิดcái này thôi chỉ lần ấy sâu vinh thì lần ấy sâu vinh chẳng hết nè trong bên này thà mộtศาสนาtrong trong mìnhศาสนาnó còn miền cùng lưu hái bàn cày mó và bạn chơi roman tìm pearl của ông sầm rùa ai miềnศาสนา group ศาสนาcủa group tây chẳng hết nè của ông hà thật thôi aiศาสนาtây tây nhiều bên nhất nè rồi viên roman rồi viên một phút nữa còn tây nhiều bên màu họ đào sắm ngay nó còn nơi tầm miền Trung Anh phong và phố sạc nào phong lì làm kia dân từ nó có thể dương này nó đào mớ cứ dương bàn chân chân năng từ vô chân từ đào mớ ấp đằng đường ra
mưa vẫn đang còn ấy nó tam bờ dồi để tam bờ dồi gì
rụp trong vinh nó sẽ ta rương ra nông sơ mai nông
vậy là mưa ở đằng đấy
miền cùng nô cu
rồi mẹ rương bàn lọ
để mình cu đây cứ đập
nè một nè
cho một cái
đập là miền rương hai tầng miền từ hiên miền trâu miền cá băng
chùm là trái đấy
miền cá sắc phơi ấy cho môi và tê xanh thời mai nó miền tê chấm ba miền ấy dân từ
nó chợ pu là
chỉ bàn một chung mày bạn trong máy chiên tờ lên bà rai chật làm đòn tiền tới
anh từng
please watch continue around in Bayon Temple in Cambodia.
Ngọc chào cha mư
family. All different poses, different meaning. Like I show you when you see Buddha, instead put your hand up like this meaning. Stop war, please. Yeah? And right hand up, left hand down like this meaning. Blessing, peace, act. And right hand and left hand, meditation. And right hand down like this meaning. And lay down the hands around the body like this meaning. Sleep, right sleep, reclining Buddha. And on the right, put the hand on the pillow and right hand on the bed. No one.
The King ឆេរវ៉ាន់សវែងនេះ the elephant and king protect country have a war near country. The body line on the gallery depict from left to right the Khmer army on the march. Commander leading elephant and half with number of parcel. Signifying rank, soldier and with word. With sword, spear, bow and scythe and other equipped with musical instrument such as drawing and drum. We can also see the men of transporting equipment and supply with ox and horse cart or people carrying food on the shoulder or on the head. The carving beside the pig thing my accompanied by their wife and children to battle indicate the person of Chinese with beard and chingal with pincer.
Kala ko lang ito.